Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Minimalist Niacinamide Serum and Vitamin B5. This powerful combination helps minimize the look of pores and visibly brightens your complexion. Vitamin B5 also deeply hydrates and strengthens your skin's natural barrier. Incorporating this serum can lead to smoother, more resilient skin with consistent use. To apply, start with a clean face. Dispense 2 to 3 drops of the serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat the product evenly across your face and neck, avoiding direct contact with your eyes. Let it absorb completely for about 1 minute before moving on to your next skincare step. This ensures maximum efficacy and proper layering with other products. You can use this serum both in your morning and evening routines. Apply it after cleansing and toning, but before your moisturizer or facial oil. For best results, ensure it's fully absorbed before applying heavier creams. Remember to avoid layering it directly with pure L-ascorbic acid vitamin C serums to prevent potential irritation. For those with sensitive skin, consider starting with a lower concentration of niacinamide or using it every other day. Always perform a patch test on a small area first to check for any reactions. Store your serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency and extend its shelf life for optimal benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.